In a dark room, 4 candles were burning. Suddenly, one candle with a heavy voice said, "My name is Peace. There is no peace left in the world anymore. People fight and separate hatred. That is why my time has come to an end." And slowly, the candle began to extinguish. Then the second candle sighed and spoke, "They call me love. Everyone has started to hate each other. Love has been forgotten by all, and the importance of relationship has faded. That's why I am leaving to this world." And it too began to burn out. Seeing this, the third candle feeling sad and spoke, "My name is Trust. In this world, people have lost trust in each other. No one believes in anyone anymore. That's why I am also fading away." And it too started to extinguish. Just then, there was the sound of someone walking into the room. Seeing the candles burning out, a little boy rushed to them and in panic said, "I am innocent and I am afraid of the dark. If all of you go out, who will protect me in this darkness? I am scared." At that moment, the fourth candle spoke softly, "Dear child, don't worry. I am hope and I never go out. As long as I live, darkness cannot scare you. It is through me that all the candles burn, and it is my light that makes everything bright. Through me, the entire world system runs. With my light, you can bring back peace, love, and trust. Come and reignite them through my flame. I never let anyone burn out." Then with the flame of hope, the boy reignites all the candle of peace, love, and trust.